Hey guys, it's Jem from beautyriotx, and today I have a fun mystery box unboxing. These are some of my favorite things to watch. So when I saw that the brand Colored Raine was coming out with their own mystery box, I thought, I'm gonna have to try it. Excuse my concealer lips. They look really good like in real life. They look very pale with the ring light in my face though, so I'm just gonna pretend they're fine. So anyway, here is the box. I have no idea what's in it. I have heard from other people like on Instagram and stuff, like I didn't look at what they got exactly, but I did see like their captions saying, oh my god, this is so worth it, and like stuff like that. And I've never tried Colored Raine, so I thought this was a fun way to try it. This box was $35, and I remember reading that you got like a palette and all the things that you got. It didn't tell you exactly what you got, but basically there's definitely like you get your money's worth. Now these kind of boxes are fun, but it's fun like if you don't mind being disappointed. Like you can't pick what you get, like you're just gonna have to deal with what you get. So that's what I'm going to do. Although, as per usual, if there's something in here that I know I won't use, I'll save it for a giveaway or I'll pass it on, whatever. So here we go. I will leave the link to Colored Raine in the box below. It's not an affiliate link, they don't know who I am. So without further ado, let's open this box. And this is what's in here, and we have a lot of stuff in here. The first thing, I didn't put on a highlighter today just in case something like that came in here. And so the first thing we have are, it looks like we have 3 matte liquid lipsticks. Cool. All right, so we have Pink Panther, Boss Babe, and Suede. So let's check these out. And I'll list the prices for these on the screen. Oh boy. Pink Panther looks pretty incredible. So first off, I love the packaging. Like it has these cute little bubbles on them. It's plastic, obviously. So we have Suede, Boss Babe, and then Pink Panther. These are matte lip paints. So these are all matte. And I think I'm actually going to save this kind of brownie nude for a giveaway because it's not a shade that I would actually wear. So we got our first giveaway item right here, but I will swatch these two. So we have Pink Panther, which I'm, again, pretty, oh my god. This should be called Gem in the Holograms. Oh my god. That color is just fantastic. I'm already super excited. And then the next one is Boss Babe. This is a very purpley kind of grayish kind of color. Very pretty. It's a little deeper than, I know I have a ColourPop shade that's similar, but I feel like it might be a deeper version of that, so that's good. And now we have 3 more lipsticks. These are like regular bullet lipsticks, so cool. Oh, these are really pretty packages too. Fingers crossed no metallics, because that will absolutely be going in a giveaway. All right, so I mean the packaging of these is beautiful. They do feel kind of weighty, they don't feel cheap. Kind of reminds me of Pat McGrath a little bit. I don't own any Pat McGrath lipsticks, but for some reason that just comes to mind when I look at this. So this shade is called Charmed, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's like this pinky nude shade. Oh, and this is called Serene, which is kind of similar, I guess, but a little bit deeper and I guess a little more nude. Mauve? Should I call this a more mauve-y tone? They are a little sweaty, so I don't want to touch them off the bat because I don't want them to break. Ooh, and then we got like an ox blood. All right, and this is called Affluence. Next thing we have in here are, oh, lashes. Cool. Ooh, well, they're very pretty. They're nothing scary, like they're not obnoxious to the point where I would never wear them. They have a black band, which I tend to have issues with sometimes, but I'm still gonna try them because who knows, I may love them, they may work like a charm. All right, so cool. And these are the CR15 lashes. I don't think they actually have names. I think it's just CR15. Each premium silk lash is made with natural and synthetic fibers that are crafted to perfection to enhance and emphasize the power and beauty of your eyes. Vegan-friendly lashes that are long-lasting and reusable. Cool. All right, the next thing we have in here is a single eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Brick. And I already know this is a shade that I will love. It's like a red-brown shade. And we'll give it a swatch. It's very pretty. It's a nice, like I said, reddish-brown matte shade. Not as opaque with the swatch, but I'll definitely put it in a Z palette and see how it performs like with a brush. And we indeed did get a highlighter. Oh, I really hope this isn't like bronze or something like that. I hope I can actually wear this. All right, and this is in the shade Luxurious Bling. This is the Focal Point Glow Lighters. I can wear it, yay! I'm gonna take my Eco Tools brush. It does, I can already see it does have a little bit of like a pinky opalness to it, but I don't care. Yeah, it's got a little bit of pink to it. I don't love that. I'm probably gonna end up gonna pass this on. It's a nice powder. It's very smooth, but it's definitely a little too pink for my taste. It's not horrible, just not my favorite kind of highlighter. So very pretty. The packaging is really nice. Again, it's weighty. If only if it was more champagne though. That's unfortunate, but that's okay. All right, and the last thing in here is, oh no, there's two more things. This and one more thing is a palette. This is the Beauty Rust palette. Ugh, I hope we didn't get, this looks like this color would come in this because this is called Beauty Rust and this is called Brick. So let me see. Oh no, okay. This is beautiful. I mean, can we talk about this Daisy shade right here? Wow. And let me wipe my hand off and we'll swatch all these. And really quick, I'll show you the last thing in here. The last thing in here is actually a bag, which I'm gonna take it out of the packaging, but I'm not actually gonna use, it's not something I would ever use. So I'm not gonna, I'll actually save it for a giveaway. But it's really pretty and it's really like solid. Like it's a nice, legit bag. It's nice, you could do like, you could use this like for when you go away, for makeup, for putting palettes in when you travel. It's nice. So yeah, I'll save this for a giveaway too. So we have 3 things for a giveaway. The rest I'm gonna keep. But let's swatch some of these shadows. This palette is lovely. I mean, the swatches from what I see, lovely. Totally up my alley. I mean, that middle shade right here, Daisy, holy crap. My favorite shade of the whole thing. I mean, my only thing is like, I kind of wished this was like a different shade than something that kind of went with this. But I mean, it's a nice shade. I'll put it in my Z palette. And you know what? Let's try to swatch these lipsticks real quick. I'm gonna keep them all because they're all colors I would use. Maybe they're not like matte, but kind of on first glance, they look more like they look kind of like more on the matte side. More than cream, but those are beautiful and they're all different. None of them are like some random weird fucking shade. I went to Jeffree Star's masterclass like years ago when he came to Philly, and it was a really fun time. But like in the description, it was like, oh, he's gonna give you one of his liquid lipsticks, and he gave you the fucking blue one, and it was like pure shit. So I'm glad like this wasn't the same thing where it's like they just gave you the shittiest stuff that they have to get rid of it. These were all really nice things. Suede and the highlighter, like these two, were just shades I wouldn't wear. I think they're actually really pretty shades. Even the highlight is very pretty, but I'm just not into pinky gold highlighters. The shade again was pretty, but every other shade that they sent though are totally shades that I would absolutely wear. The palette's beautiful. The lashes were totally like, look like normal looking lashes. They're not like lashes you would wear like on Halloween or like to a drag show. Like they look like lashes anybody could get away with wearing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Do I think it's worth 35 bucks? Absolutely. And upon last checking, they did still have a few of these boxes left. I don't know if everybody gets the same thing. I will check on Instagram to see if a bunch of people got some of the same things. And if they did, I'll leave it in the comments below. So I mean, if you're not interested in anything I got, then maybe you don't want to order it. If you are interested and you're thinking maybe you'll get the same thing, then there you go. All right, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you have any comments, questions, or anything to say, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you're a dick, don't even bother. I'm just gonna delete it and block you. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.